Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice paper sheets, full guide. Start by mixing rice flour with water to a smooth batter, then rest it for 30 minutes. Heat a thin nonstick pan, pour a ladle of batter, and spread to a thin circle, cooking until edges lift. Transfer each sheet to a rack and cool, stacking with parchment to prevent sticking while you continue making more. I'll guide you through batter ratios, consistency checks, and small adjustments for different uses. Start with 1 part rice flour and 1.5 parts water, whisking until smooth and free of lumps. If you want softer, more translucent sheets, thin the batter slightly. For robust sheets, keep it thicker. Small tweaks to viscosity and pan heat change the final texture, so test a few scraps until you find your ideal sheet. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: I keep a little Tree's black ice in my car because it makes the drive feel as fresh as a clean kitchen, and it pairs oddly well with food prep humor. See the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent pan temperature and even spreading to get uniform rice paper sheets every time. Pour a thin ladle of batter and tilt the pan, or use a spreader to achieve an even circle without holes. Cook just until edges lift, then cool on a rack and separate with parchment to avoid sticking. Store finished sheets layered with parchment in a cool place or refrigerate for longer freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.